Hey there, fantastic foodies! Welcome back to Tasty Bite Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of snacking satisfaction with a treat that's delicious and packed with goodness: homemade granola bars. Get ready to energize your snacking game. Our lineup today: wholesome rolled oats, a medley of nuts for crunch, dried fruits for a touch of sweetness, and a drizzle of honey for that natural goodness. Let's get those dry ingredients mingling. The rolled oats, the nuts, they're all coming together in harmony. Look at that colorful blend. Now, let's bring in the magic binders, a drizzle of honey and a dollop of nut butter. Watch as the mixture comes together, creating that deliciously sticky goodness. Time to shape our nutty delights. Press the mixture firmly into a baking dish. We want those bars to hold together and stay deliciously intact. Voila! Our homemade granola bars are ready to shine. Cut into even pieces, they're a visual treat waiting to be savored. That delightful crunch, the natural sweetness, and the burst of nutty flavors. These granola bars are not just snacks, they're moments of pure joy. Thank you for joining me in creating these homemade granola bars. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more wholesome delights. Until next time, keep snacking smart and cooking with love.